Welcome to the video on starting with MATLAB. This is a MATLAB icon with which we can open the MATLAB desktop. This is a default layout of MATLAB desktop where we can see basically 4 windows: current folder, command window, workspace and command history. Here this current folder is used to navigate different MATLAB files in the system. Command window is used to type different commands and execute independently. Workspace is a location where different variables we have defined in the command window are being observed. And command history is a window where the different commands we type in the command window are observed in the command history. Let's start using the command window. Let me define a variable A with 4 elements: 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see this variable in the workspace and this command in the command history. Let me define one more variable B and 1, and you have to observe that every variable defined here are being seen or defined in the form of a matrix. Now you can see the B variable is being displayed in the workspace and this command is shown in the command history. Let me define one more variable C, which is the addition of A and B. Now the result is stored in C, and now this C is the new variable that can be seen in the workspace, and you can see this command C equal to A plus B in the command history. Now we can clear the command window very easily by simply using the command CLC. So the command window has been cleared. Now if you want to clear the workspace, that is all the variables in the workspace, or let me suppose I want to clear only a variable A in the workspace, then I will type the command clear space capital A, because in MATLAB we observe that it supports case sensitivity. That means small a and capital A are different. So clear capital A is going to clear that variable capital A, and you can see that it has been eliminated from the workspace. And if you try to know the value of the variable A, you can see a message that this is an unrecognized function or a variable. Now again I am going to clear the command window, and for suppose if you want to redefine A, then there is no need for typing that again in the command window. Simply drag the command from the command history, drop here and press enter. That's all. You observe A has been defined. So this is how we can use command window for the execution of single commands. Now let me clear the command window again. Let me now clear all the variables. Now will clear all the variables in the workspace that you can see. And now I want to clear the command history. Then I will go to the command history, right click there. You have the option of clear command history. It asks for the confirmation. Click yes. That's all. It's all clean. This is all about starting with MATLAB. Thank you.